Want to take your gardening to the next level? Setting up a smart garden system allows you to monitor and control your garden with ease. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to set up a smart garden system that keeps your plants healthy and thriving. Choose a smart garden hub. Select a smart garden hub compatible with your existing smart home devices. Some popular options include the Eve Aqua, Reikio 3, and Google Nest Hub. Install smart sensors. Place smart soil sensors in your garden to monitor moisture, temperature, and light levels. Install smart watering systems like Eve Aqua or Reikio 3 to automate irrigation based on the data from the sensors. Set up the smart hub. Connect your smart hub to your home Wi-Fi network. Pair it with your smart garden devices via the hub's companion app. Set up automation rules for watering, lighting, and other garden activities. Configure the app settings. Use the app to monitor real-time data from your sensors. Adjust settings for watering schedules, light exposure, and fertilization based on the needs of your plants. Enable notifications to alert you of any issues, like low soil moisture or temperature drops. Integrate with voice assistants. If your smart hub supports it, connect your system to voice assistants like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Use voice commands to control your garden system, such as, Alexa, water the garden. Monitor and maintain. Regularly check the app to ensure your garden is thriving. Adjust automation settings as seasons change or based on your plant's growth. Replace batteries in wireless sensors as needed to keep the system running smoothly. Setting up a smart garden system is a fantastic way to ensure your plants get the care they need, even when you're not around. If this guide helped you, check my links below and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more tech tips.